This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Ford F-Series. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, front and rear reading lights, a trailer hitch receiver, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month, 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.